Hey everyone, it's Malaika and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's essential for anyone planning international travel: applying for a visa. The paperwork, the deadlines, the potential for delays, it can be a lot. But don't stress, because in this video I'm breaking down the entire visa application process into easy-to-follow steps. We'll cover everything from figuring out what type of visa you need to acing your interview and what to do once you get that visa in hand. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip abroad, this guide is for you. So let's dive in and get you ready for your next big adventure. Before you even think about filling out forms, you need to figure out what kind of visa you actually need. Your visa type depends on two main things: where you're going and why you're going. First, every country has its own specific visa requirements. Second, your purpose for traveling matters. Going on vacation? You'll likely need a tourist visa. Heading there for work or school? That's a whole different ball game. There are also visas for business trips, family visits, and even transit visas if you're just passing through a country on your way to somewhere else. The best place to start is the official website of the embassy or consulate of the country you're planning to visit. All right, you've figured out what type of visa you need. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: paperwork. Specifically, the documents you'll need to submit with your visa application. First and foremost, make sure your passport is valid. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Next, you'll need a completed visa application form from the embassy or consulate's website. You'll also need passport-sized photos that meet specific requirements. Proof of travel arrangements like flight tickets and hotel reservations is essential. And don't forget proof of financial means, like bank statements. Some countries also require travel insurance, so check if that's necessary. The visa application form is a critical part of your application. You're presenting yourself and your travel plans to the embassy. Accuracy is key. Double-check every detail. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargon. Ensure consistency with supporting documents. Your visa application is your first impression. Be thorough. Okay, let's be real for a second. Applying for a visa isn't free. Most visa applications come with a non-refundable processing fee. This fee covers the administrative costs. The amount varies by country and visa type. Check the embassy's website for exact fees. Payment options usually include credit or debit cards. Keep proof of payment. For some visa types, especially work or study visas, getting called in for an interview is part of the process. The first step to acing your interview is preparation. Start by researching common visa interview questions for your specific visa type and country. Think about your situation and prepare clear, concise answers. Next, gather all your supporting documents and organize them neatly. Practice makes perfect, so consider doing mock interviews with a friend or family member. On the day of the interview, dress professionally, be on time, and answer all questions honestly and to the best of your ability. Congratulations on finishing your visa interview. You've made it through a major hurdle in the application process. Now comes the waiting game while your application is processed. Visa processing times vary widely depending on the country you're visiting and the type of visa you've applied for. Some visas are processed in a matter of days, while others can take weeks or even months. Many embassies and consulates now offer online tracking systems that allow you to check the status of your application. While you're waiting, make sure you keep all your communication lines open. Remember, patience is key during the visa processing stage. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Your visa has been approved. Now you're one step closer to embarking on your trip. But before you start packing your bags, you need to collect your passport with the visa stamp. The collection process varies depending on the embassy or consulate, so it's essential to check their website or contact them directly for instructions. Some embassies and consulates allow for in-person collection, where you'll need to visit their office during designated hours to pick up your passport. Others offer mail delivery services, where your passport will be safely delivered to your address. When you receive your passport, take a moment to carefully review all the information on your visa. With your visa safely in hand, it's time to move on to the final preparations for your trip. You've got your visa, you're practically on that plane. But before you jet off, there are a few final things you need to do to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. First things first, make copies of all your important documents, including your passport, visa, flight tickets, hotel reservations, and any other travel insurance or medical documents. Keep one set of copies in your carry-on luggage and another set with a trusted friend or family member back home. Next, familiarize yourself with the customs and immigration regulations of your destination country. Check if there are any specific health requirements or recommended vaccinations for your destination. Your doctor can provide guidance based on your travel plans. And finally, don't forget to pack your excitement and sense of adventure. That's it! You've successfully navigated the visa application process and are now fully equipped to embark on your international adventure. From determining the right visa type to gathering your documents, mastering the application form, and acing your interview, you've gained valuable knowledge and skills that will serve you well for any future travels. As you prepare to depart, carry with you the confidence that you've done everything necessary to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Embrace the excitement of exploring a new culture, immerse yourself in the local experiences, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels, and remember, the world is full of incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this ultimate guide to applying for a visa. I really hope this step-by-step breakdown has helped demystify the process and given you the confidence to tackle your own visa application. Remember, planning and preparation are key, and with the right information and a little effort, you can navigate the process smoothly and successfully. Whether you're dreaming of exploring ancient ruins, soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, or immersing yourself in a vibrant new culture, don't let the visa application process hold you back. Take that leap of faith, embrace the journey, and get ready to experience the world. Until next time, happy travels!